right, guys, it is Wednesday. You know what's going on. I'm Isaiah. Let's go check out what's going on in the shop here. So starting off with the full wrap of the week, we have this beautiful CT5V Blackwing. It's in an awesome white color, getting a full 10 mil wrap, 8-year coating as well from XPEL. And we also did tint to it, XPEL XR Plus. Full on here, 98% of that heat that you normally feel is gonna be blocked, and he's gonna be ready by the time we're done with this. But anyhow, let's keep going on and see what else we got done. Brand new Escalade V, also a full wrap, but we did this pretty much last week. Full wrap, coating, tint, and a couple miscellaneous pieces on the interior as well. She is good to go. She's gonna be going home as well today. Can't wait to give this back. But if we look over there, got ourselves a 23 M4 competition. We're doing just a rocker kit for this one. Just got that today, getting on it now, and we're gonna continue forward as usual. All right, next up in our list of the things that we got going on this week is this beautiful Shark Blue GT4 Porsche. It actually got some work done with us over at our Miami shop, and he came up to us now, since it's a closer ride for him, to get some more paint protection film work done. We ended up doing the rear quarters that lead up into the A-pillars, and we're ultimately finishing up with the vehicle with a ceramic coating. That's gonna be done here in the next couple of days, and we'll have it ready for him to go very shortly. Then we have Caleb here. He is doing an annual checkup to this 2019 Ford Raptor. Is she performing well, Caleb?
All good.
Doing well. She's beating like a dream, meaning customer is actually taking care of his vehicle after our work is done. Very important to do so, to have it looking as great as this for as long as possible. But let's go see what's in the tint bay, and then we'll go jump outside. So here we have a 2015 Harley Davidson Breakout. It's here for a ceramic coating, polishing on all the metals as well as painted areas that we can get our hands on, and then we'll coat everything from there as a whole moving forward. So chromes, wheels, painted areas, leathers, everything on the exterior of that bike's gonna get a coating, and just make it easier to clean after the fact. Last thing on the inside, got this Lincoln here. Doing a set of our XR fronts for this vehicle to have everything as consistent as possible to match the rear section. T is hard at work. We'll let him go, move forward. But let's go outside. All right, guys, we're outside. It is not sunny, but it's nice and cool. I'll take it. Behind you, we have a F350 here for an annual checkup. It's in the line of the annual checkups that we have for today. So we'll be getting going on that very shortly, as is this A6 here. So that's also in line for an annual checkup for today. But next to this A6, we have a 2017 Lincoln Continental, which is gonna be here for tint. She's next up in the queue. We'll be doing our full XR line of tint on this vehicle, which is gonna block 88% of the heat, keep the customer cooler during the time that he is in the vehicle. Moving forward here, we have a Subaru that came from a collision shop to get some paint protection film reapplied to it. The hood as well as bumper got into a little fender bender and needed to be replaced. That is complete. Just got to call a customer. We'll get them on their way. And then moving forward here, we have 3 other cars we can talk about here in LATROBE. We have a Lincoln Corsair. Something must have happened to the front passenger side window to where the tint needed to be replaced, or the window itself needed replaced. So we put the tint back on there, matching the rest of the vehicles. It was a simple job. We have a Mercedes here, Mercedes SUV. Something happened to where the passenger side needed recoated from the ceramic coating that it got just about a year ago. So we did the annual checkup as well as a reapplication of that ceramic coating. So customers back to uniformity, whatever you want to call it. 23 Cayman S. Customer came here to us asking for help on how he could protect this vehicle. And of course, what do we specialize in? Protection, because he wanted to have this beautiful vehicle of his protected, and we got him taken care of. We did paint protection film on the front end of this vehicle, as well as we were going to finish up with a ceramic coating over the rest. But as for me and Spirit, this is all we have for you today.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's check out what we've got on the shop this week. Over here in the PPF bay, we have a 2023 Chevy Silverado. This owner's last Silverado got pretty beat up with rock chips. He decided to do some protection on the front end of this one. He opted to do the full front clip, the A-pillars, and also a wear and tear package. So the wear and tear package, a lot of people don't know about, protects your door cups so you don't get scratched whenever you reach into the vehicle, door edges, protect that from getting chipped when you open the door, and also door seals. So whenever you get in and out of the vehicle, you're not kicking that metal and scratching it up. Over here in the tint bay, we have a 2023 Toyota Supra. This is getting PPF on the track package, so that's the full front end, rocker panels, and around the rear wheel area. Also getting a Fusion Plus ceramic coating, as well as stripping off the dealer tint and applying our XR ceramic tint. I know you guys saw this vehicle previously, but this Porsche Cayman is back in for the 2-week checkup and getting some of that PPF touched up. That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.